Hi, I'm Erica, a mobile massage therapist and educator. Massage therapists, last week I did a video about my ideal client being happy to pay my full rate. So I want to build on that and talk about something that often pulls therapists in the opposite direction: discounts. Let's start with one of the biggest offenders in my mind: Groupon. For independent massage therapists who are building their own businesses, I do not recommend Groupon. I find the business model predatory, and I also think it can be detrimental to a small business. Think about what you're actually doing. You're discounting your service to attract someone who's looking for a deal, and then you're giving a portion of what you do make to the platform that brought them to you. And for massage therapists, I think we have to look at the sustainability of that. We only have so many hands-on hours available to us in our day. Our bodies physically limit how many sessions we can provide. If you're filling those limited hours with deeply discounted appointments, you still have the same expenses. You're still doing the same physical work. And you're still putting the same wear and tear on your body. You're just earning significantly less for that hour. That's not a model I would want to rely on to build a sustainable massage career. But my bigger issue is the client you're marketing to. The way you market your business helps determine who ends up on your table. If the thing that gets someone on your table is a deal, you're marketing to someone who is looking for a deal. That doesn't make them a bad client. They're responding to exactly what you advertised. But if you're trying to build a sustainable practice with clients who value your work and are happy to pay your full rate, I don't think that's where you should be putting your marketing energy. And here's the other thing. As an independent massage therapist, you probably don't need massive exposure. You need local visibility. You need the people in the area you actually serve to be able to find you, understand what you offer, and have a reason to choose you. So instead of putting your money into Groupon, put your energy into building your own presence. Use social media to introduce yourself. Talk about who you work with, what you specialize in, how you approach massage, and what makes your practice different. Educate people and let them get to know you before they ever get on your table. Then make sure you're easy to find when someone is actually searching for a massage therapist. Build out your Google business profile. Keep it updated. Ask your established clients for reviews. Make sure your website, services, and booking information are easy to find. None of that is about reaching everybody. It's about making sure the right people in your area can find you. And every time you put effort into those things, you're building something that belongs to your business, your reputation, your reviews, your searchability, your audience, and your relationship with your community. I'd much rather see an independent massage therapist invest in building those things than continually pay a third party to bring them someone who's primarily interested in a discount. Groupon introduces someone to your price. I'd rather your marketing introduce them to your value. So, massage therapists, in regards to your own marketing, are you giving people a reason to choose your price or a reason to choose you?